In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Airtable. First, make sure you're logged into your Airtable account, then head over to your Airtable dashboard. This is the main screen where all of your workspaces and bases live. Take a moment to identify the base that's going to store the responses to your form. Remember, every form in Airtable feeds into a table, so pick a base that already has the table and fields you want to capture, or one you're happy to customize later. Next, click on the base you'd like to add a form for. Once the base opens, look along the top or left area of the interface for the different view options. Among those, you'll see an option called Forms. Go ahead and click on Forms to move into the Form Builder area. Here, Airtable gives you two main options. You can browse View Templates, which are pre-built forms designed for common use cases like contact forms, feedback, or event registrations. These can be helpful if you want a quick starting point with fields already laid out. The second option is Build It Yourself, which lets you design a form from scratch. For this walkthrough, choose Build It Yourself so you can fully control how your form looks and what it collects. You'll now see a new form setup screen. Click on the form name field at the top and give your form a clear, descriptive title. This is usually what your respondents will see first. So choose something that tells them exactly what the form is for. Once you've named it, click on Create Form to generate your editable form layout. Now you can start customizing the appearance. Click on Add a Cover Image to upload or choose an image that matches your brand or the purpose of the form. Then click on Add a Logo if you have a logo you'd like to include. These visual elements help your form look more professional and trustworthy. Below that, click on At Description and write a short introduction explaining what the form is about, who should fill it in, and any important instructions. Clarity here will reduce confusion and incomplete submissions. You'll also see a default form headline like New Table 1. Click on that and update it so it better reflects your actual table or submission type. In the main body of the form, you'll see fields such as Name, Notes, Status, and Attachments. Click on any of these to edit them. When you select a field, options appear on the right-hand side where you can rename the label, adjust the field type, mark it as required, or add help text. Tailor each field to collect exactly the information you need, and feel free to remove any fields that aren't relevant. To see what your respondents will experience, enable the preview mode by clicking the preview toggle. This lets you interact with the form as if you were filling it out, so you can double check the flow, the order of questions, and the overall look. Once you're happy with both the content and design of your form, click on Publish. Airtable will generate a shareable link that you can send to others, embed on a website, or include in emails. From that point on, every submission will be captured directly into your Airtable base, ready for you to sort, filter, and analyze.